Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in case you are new here, my name is Miss Oyo from Kenya in Africa. And guys, look at this. This is a very amazing jiko, and this is usually cooked using firewood. And guys, me as a village girl from the village, I love cooking using firewood to cook maybe meat, or maybe I need to cook anything. If I wish to cook anything, I just use my jiko here, and it's very nice. It saves time, and it uses just little firewood. And guys, today we are going to cook amazing appetizing meal here. Kenya is on another level. Yeah, so I bought this one. Let's do this, guys. Yeah, and please, if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And guys, let's do this. So guys, this is my jiko, and first of all I'm lighting it up. So I've just used a piece of paper. For this jiko you don't use the nylon paper, so I've just used the carton paper and some small firewood. So yeah, so this is what I have done. And guys, you can see my jiko it has glittered up. So let's do this. So guys, this is the kind of asufuria I'm going to use because of this because I'm using firewood. So I'm going to use this kind of asufuria. And guys, my small meat is here. It's very small, but it's okay. We go with the economy. So I'm going to wash my meat and put inside this sufuria, because it's just for me and my girl here. It's small, but the economy, we understand. Economy here is very tight, so we go as things goes. So guys, I'm going to add water. I think that's enough. And I'm going to cover with this sufuria here. So guys, let's cook. So guys, on this other hand, I have, as usual, my onion. So I'm going to remove this top part. I just love using simple receipt. Just keep this onion and tomato, because of I can't put too much spice because of my baby girl here. Yeah, maybe as usual, I'm going to remove this part. Yeah, I'm going to remove this and throw away the dustbin. Even this part, guys. As usual, I'm going to cut. I just love when it's in cube shape. So guys, I'm going to remove this part. So I'm going to cut this part. So guys, on the other hand, as you can see, my meat is boiling well. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the water to dry up, then we start the frying process. So let's just, guys, my meat is ready, and I'm going to add in cooking oil. Hapa Mama. So guys, I had already cooked this sukuma wiki, and now I'm just boiling so that we can accompany it with the meat. So guys, my food is ready, and please, I'm welcoming all of you. Come and let's enjoy together. And guys, please, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Okay, bye guys, let's meet in the next video.